Hi guys, today in this video we will talk how to delete the league dating app account. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to open your app. In the app you need to tap on your profile icon, and then you need to select like three dots at the profile icon, and you need to select options like deactivate account. Once all the options will pop up, you need to select deactivate account, and once you select deactivate account, you need to provide your password, and you need to select delete account, and you need to confirm you are going to delete your account, and you need to read these notification before deleting your account, what will happen if you delete your account. Okay, and once you confirm these details, you can delete your account, and you can use never mind, like if you don't want to delete, if you are not agree with these terms and conditions or this kind of information. So you can also skip this option, or you can say yes, delete my account if you want to completely delete your account. Okay, so now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.